Maharashtra, a state known for its vibrant cities, stunning beaches, and rich cultural heritage. When we think of Maharashtra, images of bustling Mumbai or the serene beaches of Konkan often come to mind. We think of big cities and beaches, right? The fast-paced life of Mumbai, the financial capital of India with its iconic landmarks like the Gateway of India and Marine Drive, or perhaps the tranquil beaches of Alibaug and Ratnagiri, where the waves gently kiss the shore. But tucked away far from the hustle and bustle is a hidden treasure. Latur. This lesser-known gem offers a different kind of beauty, one that is often overshadowed by the more popular destinations. It's in the middle of the Deccan Plateau, showing us what rural Maharashtra is all about. The Deccan Plateau, with its unique geological formations and rich history, provides a stunning backdrop to this quaint town. Rolling hills and wide open fields make it feel calm and peaceful. The landscape here is a painter's dream, with its gentle undulations and vast expanses of greenery. It's not like the green coast, but Latur is beautiful in its own way. The contrast between the lush coastal regions and the more arid interiors of Latur is striking, yet both have their own unique charm. Browns and greens show how tough nature can be, even when it's dry. The resilience of the land and its people is evident in the way they have adapted to the challenging conditions. No big mountains or waterfalls here, but the land has its own special charm. The flat plains stretch out as far as the eye can see, offering a sense of openness and freedom. The huge Deccan Plateau stretches out from Latur, showing off its ancient history. This plateau, one of the oldest and most stable land masses on Earth, tells a story of millions of years of geological evolution. You'll see old rocks, like statues made by wind and rain over thousands of years. These natural sculptures, shaped by the elements, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. And when the sun sets, the sky turns orange, pink and purple. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, painting the sky in a riot of colours. It's a beautiful ending to the day in this quiet part of Maharashtra. As the day draws to a close, the tranquility of Latur envelops you, offering a perfect escape from the chaos of city life. Latur is pretty dry most of the time, with its semi-arid climate defining the region's character. The landscape is often marked by dry, cracked earth and sparse vegetation, painting a picture of resilience and adaptation. This arid environment shapes everything there, from the way people live to how animals and plants adapt to survive. The flora and fauna have evolved to withstand the harsh conditions, showcasing nature's incredible ability to thrive even in challenging circumstances. There are two main seasons in Latur, the dry season and the monsoon. Each season brings its own set of challenges and transformations, making the region's climate both predictable and dynamic. The dry season is long, stretching from October to May, and even though it can be tough, it's crucial for Latur's environment. The relentless sun beats down on the land, creating a parched and arid landscape. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way. Desert animals and plants have adapted to survive with minimal water, showcasing resilience and ingenuity. These adaptations are vital for maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Summer from March to June is super hot and windy. The scorching sun and gusty winds make it a challenging time for both people and nature. Temperatures can soar, and the land becomes even drier, waiting in anticipation for the relief of the monsoon. The land gets dry and waits for the rain. The anticipation builds as the monsoon season approaches, bringing hope and relief to the parched earth and its inhabitants. Then, around June or July, the monsoon arrives. Dark clouds gather and the first drops of rain hit the dry ground, creating a sense of renewal and rejuvenation. Everyone is happy to see the rain. Villagers celebrate, dancing in the rain and expressing their joy and gratitude for the much-needed water that brings life back to the land. The dry ground comes alive and the air smells fresh. The rainwater is quickly absorbed by the thirsty soil, and soon new plants begin to sprout, adding a touch of green to the landscape. Rivers and streams fill up again. The monsoon rains replenish the water bodies, ensuring a steady supply of water for the months to come. After the monsoon, plants grow everywhere, turning the land green. The once barren landscape transforms into lush green fields, teeming with life and vitality. Farmers can finally harvest their crops and nature gets a fresh start. The monsoon season brings prosperity and hope, allowing farmers to reap the benefits of their hard work and providing a new beginning for the entire ecosystem. The Latur Dam is like a superhero, protecting people from dry times. This incredible structure stands tall and strong, ensuring that the people of Latur have a reliable source of water even during the harshest droughts. It's not just a dam, It's a lifeline that supports the entire community. It's built across the Manjaro River and gives water to farms and homes. The water from the dam irrigates vast stretches of farmland, turning arid land into fertile fields. Farmers depend on this water to grow their crops, which in turn feeds the local population. The dam also supplies water to homes, ensuring that families have access to clean and safe drinking water. It's also a great place for animals and a beautiful spot to visit. The area around the dam is teeming with wildlife. Animals come to drink from the reservoir, and the lush greenery provides a perfect habitat for them. For visitors, the dam offers stunning scenic views, making it a popular spot for picnics and nature walks. When the monsoon comes and the river fills up, the dam is amazing. The sight of the river swelling with monsoon rains is truly spectacular. The dam holds back the surging waters, preventing floods and storing the precious resource for the dry months ahead. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of nature working in harmony. Water rushes down the spillway, showing how powerful nature is. The force of the water cascading down the spillway is a breathtaking display of nature's raw power. It's a reminder of the immense energy contained within the natural world and the importance of harnessing it responsibly. The dam creates a big lake, making everything green around it. This artificial lake is a haven for both people and wildlife. The surrounding area flourishes with vegetation, creating a vibrant ecosystem. The lake also provides recreational opportunities for the local community, from fishing to boating. In the winter, lots of birds come to the lake and bird watchers love it. Migratory birds flock to the lake during the winter months, turning it into a bird watcher's paradise. The sight of these beautiful creatures adds to the charm of the dam, making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts. The Latur Dam is a symbol of hope for the people of Latur. It represents resilience and the ability to overcome adversity. The dam stands as a beacon of hope, showing that with determination and hard work, communities can thrive even in challenging conditions. It shows that even when things are hard, people can work together to help everyone and nature too. The story of the Latur Dam is one of unity and cooperation. It highlights the importance of coming together to solve problems and support one another. The dam not only provides water, but also fosters a sense of community and connection with nature. Even though Latur is dry, it has lots of different plants and animals. They've all learned to live in the dry weather. You'll see tough trees like acacia, neem and tamarind. When the monsoon comes, wildflowers bloom everywhere. They bring in insects and butterflies. Latur also has many birds, some that live there all year and some that just visit. Peacocks, partridges and quails live in the grasslands and forests. In the winter, ducks, geese and cranes come to the Latur Dam. You can even see blackbucks, foxes and hares. They live in the dry forests and scrublands. All these animals show that Latur's environment is healthy. Latur is becoming a popular place for eco-tourism. It's great for people who love nature, adventure, or just want to relax. Torna Hill has an old fort with amazing views. Hiking to the top is fun and shows you all the hills and valleys around Latur. The fort is also full of history. Some groups are working to make ecotourism even better in Latur. They teach people about nature, how to be responsible tourists, and help local people make money from ecotourism. You can go birdwatching, hiking, and take nature walks. It's a fun way to see Latur and help the local people too. Farming is really important in Latur. The people there are tough and smart. They've learned how to farm sustainably so they can grow food and protect nature. They collect and save rainwater, which is super important in a dry place. They grow things like soybeans, cotton and lentils that don't need a lot of water. They also use organic farming and crop rotation to keep the land healthy. The farms and groves of Latur show how people and nature can work together. The farmers' knowledge and sustainable practices help keep the environment healthy. Latur's culture is as interesting as its nature. Most people speak Marathi and have lots of festivals that celebrate nature and farming. Pola is a festival for bullocks, the animals that help farmers. They decorate the bullocks and thank them for their hard work. It shows how important animals are. Bale Pola is another festival at the end of the planting season. Farmers thank their bullocks and tools and hope for a good harvest. It's a time for celebrating and being thankful for nature's gifts. These festivals are a big part of Latur's culture and show how much nature means to the people. Latur is a special place where nature, farming and culture all come together. The dry land, the tough people, and their traditions make it a fascinating place. The people of Latur have learned to live in a tough environment. They respect nature, use sustainable practices, and have vibrant traditions. Latur shows us that even when things are hard, people can live with nature, not against it. It reminds us to protect nature and live sustainably so everyone can have a good future. Latur is a hidden gem waiting for you to discover it. It's a place to relax, connect with nature, learn about a new culture, and see how strong people can be. Whether you love nature, history, or just want to see something new, Latur is perfect. Come explore Latur and find Maharashtra's hidden treasure. Enjoy the quiet landscapes, the vibrant culture, and the friendly people.